I promised you to take the design challenge myself, so here it is. I'm gonna fix this sunset photo that I took in Montenegro.
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
So the first thing that I think that needs to be done here is, well, some composition adjustments. So I'm going to go to the crop tool, just like so. I'm going to click on any of these handles right here, and I can see that I think that I should align this horizon line with this this horizontal line. But first, I think that I'm going to straighten this whole image out. So I'm going to go to the straighten option right here, and I'm going to click somewhere here and move it just a bit down, just like so. And I'm going to let Photoshop do the heavy lifting for me. So I'm going to just press that, check marks, and I think that the horizon is a bit more even right now. So now I'm going to maybe move this guy a bit just down to somewhere here, just like so. I don't think I'm going to try to align this sun with this vertical line, or maybe I can try it, but I think that doing that I'm gonna lose this kind of like a panoramic feel into this scenery, and I really wanted to, well, I'd like this image to convey the vastness of the sea and some rocks right here. So I think I'm just gonna leave it just like so. This should be fine. Okay, so I'm going to just press this check mark right here. And of course, there's a lot that needs to be done in terms of color correction. So I'm going to go to the, maybe I'm just first going to duplicate this layer. I'm going to go to the threshold, and I'm going to just bring the levels just like so, but I'm going to turn its visibility off. So first I'm going to try to find the darkest spot in my image. So I'm going to go move the slider all the way down, and we can see that it's going to be some guy right here, and we can zoom in and make our adjustment on a pixel level if you want to be that precise, and I think I do want to be that precise in this case. So I'm going to turn the levels on, I'm going to turn the threshold off, and I'm going to go to the levels, grab this guy, and I believe, yeah, it was somewhere here, so I'm just going to sample this guy right here. So now I'm going to find the lightest spot in my image. I think it's going to be the sun, but I'm not sure. Well, actually, the reflections on the water are even lighter than the sun. Let me just maybe bring this guy just a bit up. So again, we are as precise as can be. We are precise on a pixel level. I think I'm going to choose this guy. So I'm going to grab the light point. I'm going to turn the threshold layer visibility off, because we remember that we need to sample our information from the image, not from the threshold adjustment layer. So I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to grab maybe this guy right here, and I'm going to go back to the full screen mode and let us see what our corrections did. So this is the original, and these are our corrections, and now the sunset looks really nice. So there you go. This is my take on the design challenge. Again, I encourage you to take the design challenge, to grab any of your photos and do the corrections, the cropping, maybe the straightening, the color corrections, and maybe the retro effect if you want. You can add to your image and share it with the community. Show how great you've become after watching these videos.